If you want to turn off TalkBack on a Realme 14T, you may try to use both volume buttons. So we need to press and hold both volume buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. So let's do this, let's press both buttons. And after 3 seconds, the TalkBack mode should be deactivated. However, if you cannot use volume buttons for some reason, then we will need to go to settings. Now here's the thing. We're gonna start from the home screen. If you don't know how to go to home screen with the TalkBack enabled, then you can tap on the home button that you have. If you use 3 buttons navigation, just tap on it once in order to select it and then double tap in order to go there. If you use gestures for navigation, then you just do the same gesture as you usually do. However, you need to do this with 2 fingers instead of just 1. So once we are in the home screen, now we're gonna use 2 fingers in order to go to the app drawer. And you can scroll also by using 2 fingers. So essentially whatever you do with 1 finger, any gesture that you do with 1 finger, in the TalkBack mode, you need to use 2 fingers instead. So we're gonna scroll down with 2 fingers in order to find settings. So now we're gonna tap once and then double tap. Over here we're gonna scroll down, so once again use 2 fingers in order to find accessibility. So select it and then double tap. Tap on accessibility one more time and double tap. Tap on vision and double tap, and then go to TalkBack, so tap and double tap again. Tap on this switch up once and then double tap, and then confirm by tapping on turn off and then once again double tap. And finally we are done. Now we can just use 1 finger again, or we can just simply tap on any of the buttons instead. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.